Hello people. I have list of employees along with their department, monthly cost and tax. Now I want to know the department level, total cost, employee count and tax. See here I got the department level details. Next I have list of employee IDs. Few are repeated twice or thrice. I want to remove all these multiples and retain only one. We'll see how can we achieve above expected results in Excel. Let's go to Excel. Here I have employee data. This is the department, cost and tax amount. To achieve the expected result, we use pivotal tool in Excel. First, select the data range. Go to Insert tab. Under Tables, click on Pivot Table. A new window will open like this. Here, the first option is choosing the data source. We can apply this pivot by using data in our existing Excel file or Excel files from our PC or files from network. First, I'll show you how to apply pivot for the data available in this worksheet. For this, choose the first radio button, select a table range. You can see here our data range is already showing. This is because before applying pivot, I have selected the data. If you want, you can change by clicking this arrow mark. That is about choosing data for which you want to apply pivot. Down, we have two radio buttons. This is to choose the place where you want to display results. If you choose New Worksheet, then the pivot will be displayed in New Worksheet in the same workbook. The second option, Existing Worksheet, will create table in the existing worksheet, but you need to specify the cell range where you want to generate the pivot. I am selecting Existing Worksheet and the cell range I am giving as J1. Down we have one checkbox. Add this data to the data model. Data model we use when we are analyzing multiple tables of data. This is little bit complicated, so we will see it separately. As of now, I am unchecking. Once you select the source data range, output data range, click OK. See here in J1, new box with label pivot table has been generated. This is called pivot wizard. Along with this, right side, we can see some additional panel appearing. This is also related our pivot table. Here, in this panel, you can see some options. In this box, you can have all the column headers of our table. Down, we have four boxes with the names, filters, columns, rows, values. Our pivot table result depends on all these options. Now we see how we can arrive the department level cost, tax and employee count. We need department names row. So drag this department to rows. See, all the departments were shown in rows. Then drag the employee to values box. See, it is calculated number of employees in each department. Now drag cost and tax into the values box again. Now you can see our pivot wizard generated the table with department level cost, tax and employee count. We can use this pivot for multiple operations. Now we see another example where I will use this to remove duplicates in a column. Here we have employee IDs in a table. Here you can see few multiples. But I want to remove all these multiples. Select entire column. Go to Insert tab. Under Tables, click on Pivot Table. Here, drag Employee ID header to rows box. You can see the data without duplicates. We'll see one more example. Here, I have sales data. Each reason wise, I need the unit count and total cost. We can apply pivot using shortcut Alt D P. First, select the data, then press Alt DP in sequence. As I told previously, even this window will have data source selection. Since I am applying to my Excel data, I am choosing first option. Down, we have option to select table or chart. I am going with table. Click on Next. Range I have already selected. Click on Next. Here you have to select the location you need. I am going with New Worksheet. Click on Finish. See, in a new sheet, pivot wizard got generated. Here, I need regions in rows and the total cost and unit count per each region. So drag the region to rows box, then drag the units and total to values box. See, now our results got generated. Now we will see some additional options related to pivot table. First, we see value field setting. To see this, first apply the pivot. I am applying pivot to this sales data. I am placing the region to rows box, units to values box. Once I drop these units, it is performing summation. Here you can see that. If you don't want summation and want the count, then you can change it. For this, click on this arrow. See here you have value field setting. Click on this. A new window will open. Here you can see different options like sum, count, average and so on. By default, Excel will take the sum for numbers. For test, it will take count. Now I am selecting count. Press OK. See, now it is showing as count. We have seen how to apply pivot in the opened Excel file. Now we will see how to apply pivot to the data inside a file saved in a folder. Go to desktop. Here I have an Excel file with sales data. Let me open this file. See here I have sales data. From this I want to apply pivot in another Excel file without opening this file. I want pivot to know city-wise price total. We'll see how to achieve this. First, close this file. Open new Excel file. Go to Insert tab. Click on Pivot Table. In this window, select second option, Use an external data source. Click on Choose Connection. Under Connection tab, click on this drop-down. Select connection files on this computer. Down here, click on this button, Browse for more. Then go to the path where you have saved source data file. Select the file. This is the sales data file I have shown. Click on Open. Select the sheet and table in the source file, then click OK. Here again, choose the path where you need to create a pivot. I am choosing the existing worksheet. Range I am selecting as A1. Then click OK. See, here the pivot wizard has been generated for the file saved in our folder. We need city level price total. So drag the city to rows box, price to values box. See, we got the result. Like this, we can apply pivot for the data located in closed files. Try yourself by using all other options in pivot table. We have seen how to apply pivot and get the result as required. But in Excel, there is inbuilt algorithm. Excel will suggest you some pivot results based on your data. To see that, first select the data. Go to Insert tab. Under Tables, click on Recommended Pivot Tables. We have sales data here. Select the data. Click on Recommended Pivot Tables. Here, in this window, you can see few suggested outputs. If your required output is in this, just select that, then click OK. See, the table got generated. Once the pivot got generated, you can do the changes as you required. Next, we have this data. I want to convert this as table and apply filters. To do that, first select the data. Go to Insert tab. Under Tables, click on Tables. See, the entire data has been changed to table and applied filters for each column. Once it is converted, you can see above one new tab, Design got added. This Design tab will show you further options to customize this table. Here you can apply pivot to this, remove duplicates, etc. Here we have an option, Insert Slicer. This slicer will make easier our work to select certain data in the filters. We see this. Click on Insert Slicer. Then select the field for which you need. I am selecting region. See, this is the slicer. You can see here all the values under region has been selected. We have only 3 regions. If you click on any one of these regions in this slicer, only that region data will display. Like this, you choose the data for which region you require. Here we have options like header row, total row and so on. These all are useful to customize the table further. All these are self-explanatory. So far, we have seen how to apply pivot table, how to customize it, recommended pivots and table filters. The shortcuts we have seen are Alt D P is to apply pivot, Ctrl plus T is to apply pivot table. That's all about this video. We'll see further concepts in our next videos. Any suggestions, please comment below.